Dobrev, commenting the future of the attorney's profession. Law is necessary as long as certain behavior is to be required from the members of a community, and modern society is not beyond the need of such regulation. The web has not changed the fundamental principles of commerce. We still pay for the services we need, we still join our efforts to reach further. Respectively, we want to claim a compensation when we do not receive service or when the fruits of our efforts are not distributed accordingly. And law will adapt accordingly to regulate these matters in any shape they assume, even if this adaptation is slow. But in the meanwhile, commerce continues, and at least for now, it is up to us to regulate the new spaces opening before us. This requires an attention to detail, not just creating an idea, but figuring out what protection it needs: patents, trademarks, partnership agreements, etc.